Glutes are so thick, so it really needs to be deep. We need to get that depth so that we can actually hit the piriformis. So we're not actually just sitting superficial on top, because then we're not going to be as effective.
Yeah, it's good, strong work. And that's what because you're saying these glute muscles are the thickest, biggest, strongest pretty much in the body. So, they got to get to the bottom of it. You got to get where the stuckness is in order to make the change. So the lighter work doesn't cut it.
Hey guys, Tash here from MMT. Got Ninja on the table with me.
Hello.
And we're going to work on Ninja's Piriformis, which is one of his glute muscles. Deep down in here, past his glute max. So we're going to have to sink in nice and deep to find that Piriformis. I'll show you where it is on our muscle chart first, so you have an idea. Number 27 there, all right, guys? So we're coming from that sacrum, and then it's coming across and coming into greater trochanter, all right? Let's have a look on Ninja. So we're going to start. We're going to sink into the sacrum, right on that bony area there for Ninja. Get our connection first. All right. And then I'm slowly going to sink to the edge of that bony prominence. What's the word, Ninja? Prominence?
Yeah.
I always say it funny.
Prominence, yeah.
That bony landmark. I should just say landmark.
Yeah. Don't try and say prominence.
Yeah. I end up stuttering or something on that word. So let's go off that sacrum there.
That feels really therapeutic, by the way.
Good.
Just on the sacrum.
Yeah, which is nice. And sometimes you sit there and you hold, especially if it feels great for the client. Like, it's nice to sit and take your time on there. Unblock some things there, hey Ninja?
Yep, correct.
Get that moving.
Fascial continuum.
Which is very important. So really slowly, very slow. I'm definitely using my elbow, so it's bone to bone.
Yeah.
Which is good for the connection. Real slowly. I want Ninja to stay nice and relaxed. Just remind him to keep that glute relaxed, to breathe. Breathing really usually helps to not switch on those glutes, because we don't want him pushing against us, all right? We want to sink in slow so that the body allows us in, all right? So very slowly. You probably can't even really see my movements, but that's how slow we need to be. Gradual. Where we're sinking. Ninja will slowly feel that maybe change a little bit, the feel, and maybe just starting to hit a bit of that tendon there. What do you think, Ninja?
Yeah. From a receiver's point of view, it does feel like you're moving, like
more than what it looks.
So much more than what it looks. And I can just feel, even when you're just changing little angles, like you're hitting into my stuff that's stuck. It feels more intense, but it's good pain the whole time. Yeah. And that's kind of what we're searching for, is the good pain, because it means that it's clearing, it's therapeutic. It's the knowing, that it's going to be better in the future.
Good. That's what you need. And this, like I said, these glutes are so thick, so it really needs to be deep. We need to get that depth so that we can actually hit the piriformis. So we're not actually just sitting superficial on top, because then we're not going to be as effective. So sitting there, slowly changing those angles like Ninja said, putting more weight through. So I've just leant more on top, so that weight's coming straight down through my elbow. Still nice and relaxed, Ninja? Yeah. That's better. So even just saying that, he just let go a little bit more. So always reminding the clients to relax and let it go.
Yeah, it can be an unconscious protection thing, isn't it?
Exactly.
You don't realise it.
Yeah. So I commonly see this, I'll just let you know guys, with like a piriformis syndrome, which is commonly the sciatic nerve trapped or compressed by the piriformis muscle here. It's running all the way, it's thickest nerve running all the way down the leg, through the glute, from the lower back here. So that's a really common problem we see for clients. So can get some pain in this piriformis. You might have pain running all the way down the leg. You might have numbness, tingles, and sitting on it is going to compress it even more. Think about how often we all sit on our ass, as Ninja likes to call it, piriform ass.
Correct.
So make sure you come in, get this released and fixed.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Every time you change angles, it just feels really good.
Good, good.
Into there, it feels like it's shit. Stuck.
Yeah. So I feel like I've slowly shifted lower again. Just no wax, guys. We didn't use any wax.
Yeah.
Just it glides though. Like there's naturally oils on our body, hey Ninja?
Yeah, true. Yeah.
Use those oils to. It's good because you don't move too quickly then without the wax.
Yeah.
So you're just naturally moving how the body wants, how fast the body wants you to move.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so just want to show you another way. So that's coming from the sacrum, that central point, and out a little bit to that piriformis muscle. Just slowly easing out for Ninja. Because you can see how deep we were there as you come out. Takes a bit of time. You can see the depth that we actually got to.
Yeah.
So if I come around to this direction and I feel for that greater trochanter there, I'm going to get this elbow again, elbow bone to bone. So I probably went a little bit faster. Ninja's body was reacting to that pressure. So I want to sink in a bit nicer, slower. And I'm just coming from the other end of the muscle now, guys. So I'm starting lower and then gonna try and scoop that out. Because you want that joint to be able to shift and rotate and move as well. Whenever your leg's extending and flexing, your piriformis muscle needs to be able to move. That tendon on there doesn't want to be stuck. How do you feel then, Inj?
Yeah, good. It's good, strong work, and that's what because you're saying these glute muscles are the thickest, biggest, strongest, pretty much in the body. So, they got to get to the bottom of it. You got to get where the stuckness is in order to make the change. So the lighter work doesn't cut it when you're trying to get it right into these deep tendons inside the hip there. So,
that's right.
Yeah, it feels really good.
Yeah, so just
strong.
Angling up a little bit. Kind of a bit like a scoop.
Whoa.
Coming out and up.
Whoa.
Good, Ninja.
Good, Tash. You're fixing me.
You're doing well. Just check in, always making sure that the client's still receiving it. It's still a good pain. Feels therapeutic still. Always going to be a bit of discomfort, but it can be a good discomfort, good pain, knowing we're doing the job and fixing you.
Yeah.
Good, Ninja. So yeah, definitely sit there for at least a few minutes and try and settle this down. And that's what will get rid of the pain in your ass.
That's right.
Right? Awesome, Ninja. So he's just doing some movements as well which helps me to like sit there and get some different angles on that piriformis. Good. Yeah, so sitting on your butt, it's not going to help this. You're not getting much flow and, you know, moving using that glute. So exercise is definitely the way to go as well. Once we've released, you want to get blood flow back through and use it. Use your ass. You don't want it sitting dormant and, you know, inactive. Such a big group of muscles. Need to strengthen them. So come in, get some work done. We'll fix you up and have you feeling good again. Yeah, come and see me, guys.
Get it done. Come on.
Get it done, yeah, Ninj?
Thank you. Done.
Thanks, guys.